What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Glad you're tuning in. We're going to be installing a Chevy logo for the underhood liner, and you'll see it in the video here. Link will be in the description below if you're interested in buying one for you. But let me go ahead and just show you the product and we'll go ahead and put it on. Alright, so here's the product right here. It is the Chevy logo, okay, as you can see. It's metal, so we'll be putting it on the underside of the hood liner there. Now, it comes with 3 bolts that go 1, 2, and 3 kind of drilled in if you want to do it like that, or if you just want to only use the epoxy that comes with it, you can use the epoxy. I'm going to go ahead and try to do both just so it's secured perfectly, and we'll go ahead and get that installed. Now, the only thing that you'll need is what it says is a Torx T15 screwdriver and just a couple of pry tools so you can get those pins out. But let's go ahead and hop right in. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is there is 2 T15 Torx screws there. Go ahead and take those out. This thing will pop off, and then use your pry tool to get each of these individual circular little push pins out, and then the whole hood cover will come off. Alright guys, so as you can see, the hood liner is off. It takes a little bit of effort to get those push pins out, but you can do it. So let's go ahead and we'll go check this out over here. Alright guys, so here's the hood liner right here. Now what we're going to do next is pretty much the epoxy. We're going to mix it up right here, apply it to the back of the emblem here, and it says to apply it in 5 different spots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apply it on those spots and then go ahead and fit it to the hood liner right there. Go ahead and press down. It says for up to 15 minutes, and then we'll move on to the next step. Alright guys, now that the epoxy has been set and it's been sitting for a while now, let's go ahead. We need to cut some holes into the 3 ports on the hood liner here so we can make way for the screws to be bolted in. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, now that the 3 bolts are in, the epoxy's all set, we can go ahead and put it back onto the hood. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, and there is the finished product. As you see, it is on the hood liner, so we're just going to leave this up to finish curing for the next couple hours, and then we can close the hood. But as you can see, that is the finished product there. Very good quality construction if you're just wanting to spice up the under engine bay. You know, I would definitely recommend getting one. So, but as you can see, that's pretty much the way it looks, and I think it looks really good. So, link will be in the description below, like I said, if you are interested in buying one. Alright guys, well, hope you all enjoyed the install video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you did enjoy the video, and don't forget to follow my social medias and go tell your friends. Alright guys, until the next install video, y'all have an awesome day. The Rogue Vet out. Peace.